time to clean up, let's do it right. Grab your toys, put them away. Cleaning up can be fun, let's play. Rocks in the box, books on the shelf. Put them back all by yourself. Cars in the bin, dolls on the chair. Cleaning up shows how much you care. Dance with your teddy, then give him a hug. Put him in the basket, snug as a bug. Toys in their places, oh what a treat. A tidy room is so neat and sweet. Look at the room, it's shiny and bright. Cleaning up feels so right. High five your friends, you've done a great job. Now it's time for fun, let's play and score a great job. Everyone, cleaning up is easy when we do it together. Now let's go play.